Hi everyone, I am Tanuja and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to Chandigarh. Basically, I'm going for my laser hair removal treatment at VLCC's clinic, and this is my second sitting. Last time I went there in the month of April, and then I was supposed to get my second session done in May, but I got it postponed because I was going to GB. So today I'm leaving. It's already 10:30 and I have booked a cab. So the timings for the cab is around 12. So I'll be leaving my house shortly. So once I reach Chandigarh, I might book an Airbnb. I don't even know like why am I making this vlog, but I want to create this habit that whatever I'm doing and whatever things that are not included in my routine, I might vlog them from now on. I have realized one thing, that these vlogs are not going to be for the audience. It is going to be for me. So when I get old, I will have these kind of memories where I will just look at these videos and vlogs and everything so that I can live the life that I have right now. So yeah. Also, I want to talk about the laser hair removal treatment that I'm getting done. I basically have PCOS, and earlier I didn't have these facial hair. It's been 2 years, I think, now that I started having these facial hair. I consulted with the gynecologist. I was actually thinking about getting laser hair removal done since a very long time, maybe 5-6 years. But this was never a problem. I wanted to get full body hair removal done with laser. So when I went to UK, one of my friends, Anushka, she actually got her laser hair removal done from the same clinic that I'm going to. So I got 8 sessions. From which I have already taken 1 session and another session is tomorrow. Well, it's not painful, but honestly, I was really scared like how it's gonna be. Maybe they will burn my skin. They actually do it very nicely. Like they first, remove all the hair with a razor, and then they apply some jelly kind of stuff, and then they use laser directly on your skin. So I would recommend, if you are thinking about getting your laser hair removal done, do it from a renowned clinic or maybe go to your dermatologist, because I have seen so many videos on Instagram or on YouTube that people actually get really bad results from laser hair removal. Some thick roots actually hurt when the laser strike on the skin because they actually burn the hair roots. So it does burn sometimes, but it's not like that painful, or it's not like you can't bear it. During the session, it's okay, but after the session, when you are done with the session, you have to keep your skin very, very hydrated. By that I mean that you have to apply maybe coconut oil, or you have to keep applying a moisturizer maybe every hour or every second hour. So there was something which was really bothering me when I got my first session done, because it was so itchy. Also, they ask you not to take a shower for at least 24 hours, and I think for 48 hours you don't have to use any kind of soap. So yeah, that's all about my experience with laser hair removal as of now. So yeah, I'm gonna go now. So we have finally reached Chandigarh and we have checked into our Airbnb. It's so beautiful. The vibe is so aesthetic. We don't have any plan as of now. We might go out, we might not. We might stay inside and cook for ourselves. So that's the purpose of taking an Airbnb, right? And tomorrow morning around 12, we have our session. I'm just gonna sit here now, drink my coffee and read a book and just, chill.
morning.
Good morning everyone. So I'm making this fried rice, egg fried rice. ये रात के बज गए थे. So I thought why to bring bread and make like egg sandwiches. So I got eggs when I went for jogging in the morning. And then we have some coriander left. बहुत ज़्यादा बच गया था. So we have chopped it off completely. So we are finally here. I just got my hair part done. It's so smooth and silky. Anyways, we just reached at VLCC's clinic and look at this thing. Like, this is what they are going to apply on us, on my skin. I'm gonna quickly change into my gown. I hope it does not itch or pain like the last time it happened. So finally I'm home and I'm super tired. You can see in my eyes that I'm really sleepy. I reached home around 9:30ish and I got fresh. I still have to eat my dinner and then I'll sleep. I have to wake up around 5 in the morning. I also have my OPD tomorrow. कल सुबह उठूंगी 5 बजे and then I'll go to gym, come back, make my breakfast and then go to my shift. So yeah, that's it about today's vlog. I know it's not so interesting, but I just wanted to get comfortable in front of talking to the camera, so I think it was a good start. I'll see you in my next video, and if you want me to keep posting, I would really appreciate if you would like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.